The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Itasca County, northeastern Cass County, until 1 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Blackjack, or 22 miles northeast of Bemidji, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Winnipesaukee around 12:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Inger. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.